Today, I'm comparing two very different compact cameras, the Panasonic Lumix L10 and the Fujifilm XE5. Right away, these cameras feel like they're built for different types of shooters. The L10 is more of an all-in-one travel and content creation tool. You get a fixed 24-75mm equivalent lens with a bright f1.7 to f2.8 range, so you're ready to shoot instantly without swapping glass. It's also really geared toward video, with a flip-out screen and strong vertical shooting tools for social content. The Fujifilm XE5, though, is all about image quality and flexibility. That 40.2 MP APS-C sensor is a huge jump in detail, and Fujifilm's film simulations really make JPEGs pop straight out of camera. Plus, you've got full lens interchangeability, which is a big win for long-term use. Autofocus is snappier on the Fuji thanks to phase detection, while the L10 leans more casual but consistent. Bottom line, L10 for simplicity and content creation, XE5 for serious photography and detail.